Now I come below the bridge to check this aquatic stream side plants, and some very beautiful trees are there, nice mosses are there. This is another Pangemia tree actually. So numerous little things are there, good beautiful things. All this requires patience and a good photographer, which I am not. Then also the purpose why I did this video is this plant. This is the reason why I have developed hatred for this invasive species, exotic. This is originally from Tanzania, native of Tanzania, and this Sensivera or something is called. There's a big family, lot of them are there in that country. And then this oxygen, and then garden plant, this and that, it's been imported recklessly, and every garden has entertains these plants, and it has now escaped, found a niche where it is habitat is suitable for it, and it's going invasive. So in due course, this one's children and grandchildren will spread downstream all the way up to the Kaveri river eventually, and then small communities of them will occur wherever the location is suitable for this one. So upstream places should be, I mean, if they are sensitive gardeners and nature ecology and all that, they shouldn't entertain any of these invasive garden plants, because sooner or later they will escape and then find niches here and there and occupy and compete with our own native species who are fighting quite a depressing battle for survival.